Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Model Kit Review. Today I've got something a little bit different for you format-wise, and we'll be taking a sneak peek at some of the kit reviews that I will be doing on this channel in the upcoming months. I just got back from my local hobby shop, and that is Cool Trains Toys and Hobbies in Landisville, Pennsylvania. I got a call from them earlier in the week telling me that they had picked up a large lot of pre-owned model kits. So I made the trip down this morning to see what they had, and I ended up with 5 new-to-me model kits. I'm super excited about this purchase, and I will be featuring reviews of each of these kits in the near future. The first kit I picked up is the Dora Wings Republic P-43 Lancer in 1/48 scale. This is Dora Wings part number DW48029. I've heard a lot of good things about the Dora Wings kits recently. This is my first Dora Wings kit, and I'm really looking forward to building this. I purchased 2 of the special hobby kits. The first one is the Italian World War II fighter. It's an Re.2005 Sagittario. It's special hobby part number 48206. I've been waiting a long time for a company to produce a good quality model of this beautiful aircraft, so that's another one I'm very excited about. The second special hobby kit I picked up is the Re.2000 Series 1. It's also in 1/48 scale, and this is special hobby kit number 48204. This is another nice looking kit of a cool Italian World War II aircraft. The fourth kit I picked up is the Italeri Fiat CR42 Falco in 1/48 scale. This is Italeri kit number 2801. And looking in the box, man, everything looks good, and I'm really excited to have this beautiful Italian World War II era biplane on the shelf. And finally, I picked up the Italeri Mc.205 Veltro. It's also in 1/48 scale, and the kit number is 2765. The plastic parts in this kit were actually produced by Hasegawa originally, but this Italeri boxing has really nice decals. It even has smoke ring decals that I haven't tried before, but I'm very anxious to try and see how they function on this kit. And again, I'm just excited about this purchase. I like building lesser known aircraft of World War II, and all of these aircraft kind of fall into that category. So stay tuned for in-depth reviews on all of these kits coming up in the future. One more thing I'll say here, in this day and age of online sales and online mega vendors, I think it's really important that we support our local businesses. One of the businesses I try to support is my local hobby shop, and that is Cool Trains Toys and Hobbies in Landisville, PA. All right, as always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, model on.